Hi everyone, just come down to the block to see the next steps of progress, and today they've cut the block for the building pad to go on. Spent a lot of time working out the positioning of the house in relation to all the different things that we want to do in the future. As probably everybody, we're pretty limited on budget and we're only just able to scrape the money together to do the house part of it, and we want to do some other things later, like a driveway down the side, sheds at the back, a pool behind the house, etc. But we haven't got the funds to do so yet, so we're just going to focus on building the house, and then we'll build the rest round as we get funds available. A bit disappointed in the way that they've cut the block, and I'll just show you what they've actually done. So basically they've cut, as the block's sloping slightly, they've cut part of it and filled it to the other end. So I'll just walk through and have a look. So as you can see there, they've raised one side of the block, so they've cut from the left hand side, and then they've bulldozed all the earth to the other side, and that'll become the foundation of the block. The problem is that on each side of the property there's an easement with a stormwater drain. So you can see there that there's a grid, and there's a channel that runs all the way down to the back of the property. So in the event of extreme weather, there's somewhere for the water to go that flows down to the stream at the back. The problem is that the way they've cut this block, we have to put a HSTP system in, which is basically the effluent drainage system. So all the waste from the house goes into this septic tank, and it's naturally broken down using the microbes that are in the tank. Now the tank was supposed to go here, so we've marked it on the drawing, and as you can see, they've put the site right into the position where the tank's going to go, which is a bit of a problem. And also where the developer has positioned the trees outside is really slap bang in front of where the driveway is going to go into the house. So what we'd done is we'd worked out through the council regulations that the HSTP needed to go a metre from the easement there, the stormwater easement, and as a result of that it would probably come up to about here, which means we're now in a bit of a problem because it's going to cut into the driveway access. So we're going to have to go back to the builder and work out how do we work around this, because we need to make sure we've got driveway access to the house and that we can fit in the respective effluent tank, which is going to be, as I say, positioned there, and then they're going to put a trench all the way down the right hand side of the property, and the dispersion system will go in the middle of the lawn, right at the back in the middle. So yeah, one thing I'd say as a bit of advice is if you're going to do things, you make sure you tie the builder down to specifically where things are going to go. We discussed it at the early stages, they didn't put it on the drawings, and as a result the people who've come and cut the block have basically built the block up too far to the right, which means now we haven't got access the way we'd anticipated. So I think we just need to work out what we do here and what the next steps, and we'll keep you updated. See you next time.